If you have one of these Piaggio MP3s and the battery went dead, or maybe you had to change the battery, chances are the instrument cluster is going to default back to kilometers and Celsius. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change it back to miles and Fahrenheit. Follow along the video step by step. I'll go over this two different ways, try to give you guys a good camera angle. And by the end of the video, you'll get your instrument cluster back on the display mode that you want it. So if I go ahead and turn my key to on, you'll see that it's displayed in kilometers and Celsius. That's because I replaced the battery. So now we're going to change that back to miles and Fahrenheit. Now you're going to be using two buttons. You're going to use this mode button, and up here on the dash on the right side, this is actually a set button. You're going to be using this one. You're not going to be using this one at all to get this changed. So the only two buttons again, we're going to use mode and the set button on the right side of the instrument cluster. Alright, so first thing we need to do is push in and hold in the mode button. Turn the key to the on position. Keep the mode button held in. If you look right here, you'll see kilometers and miles flashing. So I'm going to hit the mode button once. It changed to miles. So I'm going to hold in the set button. Push the mode button. Now Fahrenheit is displayed. Now hit the set button. And now I'm going to turn it off. Wait a second. Turn the key back on, and now you'll see our display is in miles and Fahrenheit. I'm going to move the camera to give you guys a little different position so you can see what I'm doing with the mode button. The first thing you do is push the mode button in, insert your key, turn the key to the on position, and once your instrument cluster stops flashing, now you're pushing the mode button, and that is toggling between kilometers and miles. Now I'm going to push the mode button again. It's on miles. Now that's when you hit the set button. So that sets your miles. And you're going to hold in the set button and push the mode button to change Fahrenheit. So I'm holding in the set button, push mode. Now I got Fahrenheit displayed. So I have Fahrenheit and miles displayed. So I'm going to shut the key off. You don't have to pull the key out, you just need to wait a second. Turn the key back on. And now miles and Fahrenheit are displayed. So when you push in the mode button and turn your ignition key, that pretty much puts your instrument cluster into program mode. And then your mode button is basically a toggle. Toggle between kilometer and mile, toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You're going to hold that set button in to set your kilometers or miles first, and then you're going to hold it in, toggle the mode button between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Just let go of the buttons, turn the key off, wait a second, turn it back on, and you're done. Congratulations on changing your instrument cluster. You don't have to take it to a dealer. You don't have to search online for some instructions. I gave you a step-by-step process right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have fun riding your MP3s, and thanks for watching.